Okay, so today I'm going to give you a few tips when you're planting hedging. So this is all three of these are native. This is beech, this is wayfaring tree, and that's a gala rose. So all look really nice in the summer. So these two get almost hydrangea types flowers, so they look really nice. So the first thing you want to do is when you get them, especially bare root, you want to make sure you put them in some water for a good, they say an hour or two, you can, but as long as you put them in water for a good few hours, you're fine. Then when you do that, you then want to go over here. So then what you want to do is you want to lay out the type of hedge you want to do. So depending on what you want to do is what you do. So this is my boundary there, over there. So that's somebody else's. This is mine over this side. So then you plant these in this nice straight line, and then eventually what I'm going to do is carry on clearing through there and use that tree as a marker as well. So it's good. And after you have planted your ones, you want to start getting some sticks and weaving them between it. Now what that does is, you know, the guards that you've got, what is not very nice and it's quite unsightly, then it basically protects it from that. So that's what we're going to do now, and then I'll come back and show you what it's going to look like I've done. So what I've done is just weaved sticks on that side and this side around the hedging, just so it'll grow nicely into the hedging. And also that does two things: it helps nature, use it, and it creates, well, it does three things, sorry. It helps nature use it, creates a barrier straight away, and then also it allows for the actual shrubs to grow so they don't get eaten by the various different things will eat these type of things. So now I just need to go, I'm not going to plant here, because what I'm doing is I'm just clearing up to that line and leaving this beautiful black thornwort here, which is all intermingle, and then there's a really nice quite big oak there. So I'm going to be leaving that. Still got quite a lot to do. I also had two willows, so I've just put them in as well. They're two willow albas, so they're native willow as well, so that's nice as well. So already there's now 4 different native species in this, and then there's also loads of hawthorn berries and blackthorn berries in there, which has also been planted in there. So I've planted all along here, and then what I need to do is just clear that bit. I'm going to clear all of this bit here. That's all dead anyway. There's a few live trees, but most of it is dead, all of this stuff here. Clear that and then connect my line there, and then what's going to happen here is the guy who owns this bit is going to fence it off like that. So he's going to come along and then fence it off, and then I'm going to put deadwood in front of that as well. So it will look really nice, be very secure, and also be very good for nature. So I've also left a few of the things what were already here. There was already some blackthorn what was growing in this line, so it's really cool. But yeah, so that is what I've done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.